so when we want to do the comparison of fractions, what we need to do here, same thing, right? What we need to do is just have the number in the, we put the digits of the decimals in the right place values. So first thing we need to remember, we need to see the dot, the decimal dot first. We align the decimal dots, and then we put the digits in the right place values. So the first number is 0.62, the second one is 0.263, and then the third number is 0.6. Okay, sometimes when you only see these numbers, it can be quite misleading, right? Since you think this one is only 62, okay, and then this one is only 6, right? But actually in reality you can put another digit over here, right? So what you need to do here is you better put the invisible zero there. Okay, so you put the invisible zero here. Let me just use another color so that you can see. So the red digit, the red zeros are the invisible zeros. Okay, so when you put the invisible zeros, then it will not be misleading, right? If you think, oh, the 6 is smaller than 263, no, right? Because right now you can see this one is just like 600, and then this 62 is not only 62. It looks like now this one when you see it, it becomes 620. So if you do the comparison, if you want to do it with increasing order, then you can say this one, we start from the smallest decimal, right, which is this 0.263, right? Because just now if we do not use the zero, we just think, oh, we may think this one is the greatest one, but actually this one is become the smallest one, right, when you put the invisible zeros here. Now, so if you put the invisible zeros, and then you can find out which one is the smallest one, right? Because when we do the comparison, we start from the greatest place value, which is the ones, and then these ones all are zeros. These are the same, right? And then we go to the tenths. We can see, oh, this one you have 6, you have another, this one 2, and then this one 6, and then you know this one, the 2 is the smallest one. So the order, let me just write down here. This order number 1 is the smallest one, and then after that you go to the next place value, right? You go to the 2, this one, the hundredths place. You have the 2 and 0. Oh, and then you can see 0 is smaller than the 2, right? So this one is number 2. Yeah, this is number 2. Let me make this one big, and this is number 3. Okay, so you order this is how you order your decimal.